Okay, I'm working through the suggestions that Josh has given regarding using desktop as location. And I have set the desktop as a location. So how do I get here? I went into that, extension settings, and then desktop. And I click off, I Control S. I don't know if that does anything. And now let's go to help, toggle developer tools. Okay, and let's fire it up. And we don't have, all right. Okay, so uninstall and reinstall. All right, so all right, debugging. So we're going to uninstall, reload required. And now it's gone. So let's take a look at where we can find Pilot. Right here. And we go there, install, open Visual Studio Code. Now, copy extension. All right, so I'm going to install it. Oh shit! I'm going to install it. Extension settings, desktop. Okay, and now it didn't give me any notice as to whether or not what I just did was picked up or not. But we will try again. We go to GPT Pilot, open GPT Pilot. Yeah, I got oh, and it died. And it died. All right, so that's what I've done. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.